When it comes to improving your home's comfort and cutting energy costs in Des Allemands, energy-efficient doors are one of the smartest investments you can make. Louisiana's humid subtropical climate means hot summers, occasional cold fronts, and plenty of humidity, all of which can push your HVAC system to work overtime. The right door can help keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, lowering monthly utility bills while boosting comfort and curb appeal. Why door efficiency matters. Your home's doors play a crucial role in maintaining indoor temperature. Older or poorly sealed doors allow conditioned air to leak out and outdoor air to seep in. This thermal exchange forces your HVAC system to use more energy, raising utility costs. Energy-efficient doors minimize this issue by providing superior insulation, tight seals, and advanced materials that block heat transfer. In Des Allemands, where temperatures can soar above 90 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity lingers year-round, energy-efficient doors help stabilize indoor comfort, reduce air conditioning demand, and lower energy bills. Over time, this upgrade pays for itself through savings and increased property value. Top energy-efficient door options. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are among the most popular choices for Des Allemands homeowners. They combine durability, insulation, and design flexibility. Unlike wood, fiberglass doesn't warp, rot, or expand in humidity, making it ideal for Louisiana's climate. Many fiberglass doors come with foam insulation cores that provide excellent thermal resistance, helping to maintain consistent indoor temperatures. They also mimic the look of wood grain, giving you aesthetic appeal without the maintenance headaches. Best for homeowners seeking a stylish, low-maintenance option with superior energy savings. Steel doors. Steel doors are another highly energy-efficient choice, offering exceptional insulation when fitted with a polyurethane core. They're also one of the most secure door types, giving you peace of mind alongside energy savings. Steel doors resist warping and cracking, though they can be prone to dents and scratches if not handled carefully. Modern steel doors feature thermal breaks and insulated glass inserts that further boost energy performance. Best for those prioritizing security, affordability, and thermal efficiency. Wood doors with insulating cores. Traditional wood doors have timeless beauty but aren't naturally the most energy efficient. However, many modern models include insulating cores and weather stripping enhancements that significantly improve their performance. To keep them energy efficient in Des Allemands' humid conditions, proper sealing and routine maintenance are essential. A well-sealed wood door not only saves energy but also adds warmth and character to your home. Best for homeowners who prefer natural aesthetics and are willing to maintain the finish. Patio doors with low-E glass. Sliding and French patio doors are common in Des Allemands homes, providing natural light and outdoor access. To improve their efficiency, opt for models with low emissivity, low-E glass. These coatings reflect heat while allowing sunlight to pass through, keeping interiors bright but cool. Double or triple pane designs with argon gas between panes add another layer of insulation, cutting heat gain during the summer and heat loss in winter. Best for those looking to balance natural light with energy efficiency. Energy-saving features to look for when shopping for energy-efficient doors. Look for Energy Star certification. Indicates the door meets strict efficiency guidelines. Insulated cores. Foam or polyurethane cores trap heat and block outdoor air. Tight weather stripping. Prevents drafts and moisture infiltration. Double or triple pane glass. Improves thermal performance in glass doors. Proper installation. Even the best door can't perform efficiently if poorly installed. Long-term benefits for Des Allemands homes. Energy-efficient doors not only reduce energy bills but also improve year-round comfort. They help regulate indoor humidity, prevent condensation, and reduce outside noise, ideal for the region's often unpredictable weather. Additionally, efficient doors increase resale value and can qualify for energy tax credits or local rebates. By upgrading to a fiberglass, steel, or insulated patio door, Des Allemands homeowners can enjoy lower utility bills, improved comfort, and enhanced curb appeal, all while contributing to a more sustainable future. Final thought. In Des Allemands, where heat and humidity can challenge your home's comfort, investing in energy-efficient doors is a smart, long-term solution. The right door not only protects your home but also helps you save money every month, turning comfort and efficiency into lasting value.